Our trial was a phase 3 randomized trial, comparing what is currently considered one standard of care, that is modified Folfirinox regimen, and the other arm was an experimental arm, including a 4-drug regimen that is called PAXG, including cisplatinum, Nab-paclitaxel, capecitabine, and gemcitabine. So the trial was addressed to a population of resectable and borderline resectable pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. And the trial showed that the new regimen, the PAXG regimen, prolongs in a significant and clinically meaningful way the event-free survival that was chosen as primary endpoint of the trial. In particular, the prolongation of median event-free survival was almost 6 months. And what is more relevant is that the 3-year event-free survival was increased from 13 to 31%, so was more than doubled, with a reduction of a hazard ratio, the hazard risk, sorry, for event of 0.65, so by 35%. This was significant from a statistical perspective. And in addition to this, we also observed a higher rate of disease control, of CA19-9 response, of pathological response, of nodal negative resection. So I think that there is an internal consistency in this data. I think that we should consider this as new standard. Of course, one concern may be the overall survival data that are not yet mature, but I think we cannot wait for mature data, because it will need, again, a couple of years to have mature data, and actually we need to give something to our patient earlier. And I think that maybe unlikely that overall survival data will be different from event-free survival data, because the internal consistency and the difference between the two arms is so large that is maybe unlikely to have different results in terms of overall survival. So I think that patients in this of this population need to have answer faster than overall survival data can provide. Furthermore, another reason to start with this new regimen tomorrow is that the toxicity profile was better and the quality of life was better as compared to modified Folfirinox. So we have to abandon this regimen right now. Three years event-free survival with the best regimen is around 30%. So of course we need improvement there, so nowadays we don't have new drugs ready for prime time. So what we can do is to try to improve our strategy. One possibility is to consider to give a maintenance therapy after surgery in this population. So we are thinking about planning this kind of trial for the future.